Hey guys, welcome back to Faith for Keto Kitchen, where we make keto delicious. So today we're going to do something super simple, super easy, really quick, but it's really delicious. It's going to be our microwave mug bread. So if you don't know what a mug bread is, or a mug cake, it's generally something that you can just mix a few ingredients together, pop it in the microwave for like 60 or 70 seconds, and you'll have a delicious snack. So I'm going to show you how to make this the bulk form, because most people make it in one little cup and then have to keep doing that, which was getting tedious for me, because at one point my husband in one day wanted like 3 mug cakes, and that was really ridiculous. But besides the point, I thought, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make a bulk one so that I don't have to sit there and get up and make his. I can go, here honey, go ahead, make it yourself. So let's get started. So what you'll need is 3 cups of almond flour, 8 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That's it. So I'm going to mix it together real fast and show you. So guys, now let me know if you ever made mug cakes. Do you even know what a mug cake is? I used to say, you know what's so funny? I used to say mud cakes, but that's not what it really is. It's a mug, and the reason why it's called a mug cake is because you actually make the cake in your favorite like coffee mug. So that's really cool, and I guess mud cake would be totally different. So yeah, I was totally wrong at that point. So we add our 3 cups of almond flour. Let's get it level as possible. All right, so when you're doing it this way, guys, though, seriously, it just makes it so easy. But what you can do, the cool part about this recipe, you can actually take, once you make your bulk mix, you can actually take it and you can add the basic ingredients, which is adding some butter to it, and then also adding either butter or coconut oil, and also adding 1 egg, all right? Once you do that, get it all mixed up inside the bowl, you can make these mug cake into savory mug cakes. Like on our website, we have like a shrimp and coconut shrimp mug cake with pretty much the base. We have like a chili beef mug cake. So you can add any little ingredients you like in the mug mix, which is amazing. And generally you would like take a cup and put the egg, about 3.5 tablespoons of this mug mix, a little bit of butter, and then just throw in different things, get creative, you know, like we made a Mexican mug cake, which is delicious. So whatever like flavor that you have in mind that day, or whatever like taste, whatever something that you would like crave, just throw your mix in, throw whatever like leftover ingredients in. Telling you guys, it's amazing. I think it was last week, I made a ham and cheese one by taking like 2 tablespoons of ham, tablespoons of cheese, like cheddar cheese. It was delicious. So what I'm going to do now, since we have this all mixed up, already done, and remember, like I always say, guys, make sure you get those lumps out, because almond flour is still almonds, even though it's not like real flour. It's still made with almonds, and almonds tend to clump up a bit. So you want to get in there really good. Make sure you get everything incorporated, especially that baking powder, because no one wants to bite into a bitter piece of baking powder. So make sure you get it all good. So once you get it completely combined, we're going to put it in a little jar. So I'm just refilling this. As you can see, I've used it before several times. So I'm refilling my jar with my bread mug mix. And this, I think, holds about 3 or 4 cups. So we're going to find out right now. But generally, I just fill it up and just stick it in the cabinet. And it lasts, guys, for a long time. If you get it and put it in an airtight container, it'll last for a long time. And it's so worth it because it cuts through time. And I've had some of my friends who made this mug cake mix, and they have kids. And I also have a mug cake, this is mug bread, but I have a mug cake mix on our website that's bulk as well. And they have like, one of my friends she had 5 boys. So in order for her to have them make their own mug cake, she was so happy when I made this bulk mug, because each one of them can grab the jar, make their own, and not have to put together little small ingredients, but they have it all ready to go, So it made them happy campers, that's for sure. So we got all of our mug mix in. Yeah, there you go. They filled it up. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is go grab the ingredients so that we can make, I'm going to make a cheddar mug cake, since I just have a taste for that. So I'll be right back and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so now guys, we're going to make our mug cake. So I decided to do cheddar mug cake. So what I did so far was I melted 1 tablespoon of butter in this little, I like putting this cute ramekin because, you know, it just looks fancy. And what you're gonna do is take about 3.5 tablespoons of that mug bread mix. Say that 3 times fast. Mug bread mix. 3.5 tablespoons of that. So we got 2, 3, and we'll eyeball this one. Sometimes I put too much like of the mix in there and it like explodes inside the microwave. Like not like explode, but you know, it overflows in the microwave. So be mindful of that so you can always adjust your recipe, especially when you're putting in add-ins. Sometimes it'll overflow. So just be careful, or just get a bigger container or a bigger cup. I guess I could have just did that, but sure. But I always have to be fancy with my little ramekin. So you're gonna mix that together a little bit. And we're going to crack our egg in. 1 egg. Put that in there. Not with the shell, of course. And then we're going to mix it up. Get it nice and mixed up. This is pretty a quick recipe, you know. I would love to know what is your favorite like mug cake or even mug, have you ever tried mug bread, you know? Because a lot of times I know mug cake is really popular out there on the web, but I didn't find too many mug bread mixes out there. So I hope you guys really like this one. So get it nice and smooth. You want it to get it nice and smooth, all well incorporated before you add your add-on. So you're gonna start with your base like that, okay? And I think I'm just gonna do something basic, like maybe a tablespoon of shredded cheddar cheese. Well, let's do 2. Let's do 2. We want some flavor in there. And I think I'm gonna leave it at that. Sometimes I will add like salt and pepper, you know. Not too much salt, but a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper in there. But the thing that I love about it is that I like to put like leftovers, like little pieces of leftovers in there and just make fun little meals like each one of our family members. Each one can take whatever leftover is, like rotisserie chicken in there, add a few more spices in there, even chicken and cheese. So really versatile. And that's what I like about the mug mix, bread mix. So I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for about 70 seconds. Watch how fast this is. So, all right guys, so I baked it for 70 seconds in the microwave and look at that. I added some extra cheese, of course, because you know, who doesn't want more cheese? So anyway, it's nice and fluffy. See that bounce? Nice bread. So we're going to give it a try and see what it tastes like. Okay. Actually, I'm going to see if it's hot enough that I can hold it. Yeah. Not hot enough that I can hold. Cold enough. So it's kind of warm still, guys. Get in there, cut a nice little piece out. Ooh. See, it's so, ooh, look at that cheese. So it's nice, soft bread. And then inside there, since I made a cheddar one, there's like pockets of cheese in there. Ooh. Really good. That's really tasty. I'm gonna finish this off camera because you need to go and make this recipe yourself so that you can have a delicious mug bread as well, and of course share with your family. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up guys, and definitely click the bell so that you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. And also subscribe, be a part of the family, join us. That way we can make some delicious food together. So I'm Rosemarie. You guys have a blessed day and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.